No, this isn't used motor oil. This is humic acid concentrate that I made the other day, if you remember my last video. But man, it sure does look like used motor oil. That's gonna get messy. What's up, everyone? Today I'm going to be showing you how to spray humic acid on your lawn. I'm going to be using the Ortho Dial and Spray hose end sprayer. You just hook it up, dial it in, and you just have to work out how big your area is and how fast you want to spray it out. So I'm going to show you how to do that today. No, we're not spraying motor oil on the lawn. That was just a joke. So this is the dial on the side here. 1 ounce per gallon is actually how you set this. This is ounces per gallon of product. That's not ounces of product per 1,000 square feet, because this sprayer sprays out 2 gallons a minute. Now, that's a fast walking pace, so if you want to spray 1 gallon of mix per 1,000 square feet, you're going to have to be walking 1,000 square feet every 30 seconds. That's the math for this. So what I'm going to do, since we want to put out 1 ounce of this product per 1,000, I'm going to dial us back to 1 tablespoon. That's the equivalent of a half an ounce, because there's 2 tablespoons to 1 ounce. So that's going to give me a walking speed of putting out 1 ounce of product onto the ground mixed with 2 gallons of water per minute. So I have to walk 1,000 square feet of my lawn in 1 minute in order to get the proper mix ratio. If you set it to something like 2 ounces, you better be walking pretty quick, so you can actually cover a large area in a very short amount of time with this product. So I've used this only a couple of times last year, so I might be a little bit off here, but I'm going to be spraying humic acid, which does not burn the lawn, and that's why I'm choosing to try to dial this thing in using this product, because it's not going to harm the lawn if I over apply. In fact, it might even be more beneficial, since this is my first application. Without further ado, let's get into it. Alright, got the hose hooked up and the water turned on. The nice thing about this is that I can spray and not put any product in it yet. Here's a top tip for you. Wear clothes you don't care about. Now there's a measuring side. It'll tell you how much you want to put in. That's milliliters. The other side is in ounces. I have 12,000 square feet roughly, so we're going to add 12 ounces. Give this just a little shake. It's pretty thick, so I have a feeling this might clog up. If that's the case, you could remove the screen filter on the inside, but if it does clog up, you could just kind of pump this back and forth and it'll free it up. A little more. Measure. That's good. Now before I put this in there, I'm going to rinse this off. Hopefully it's not too thick of a liquid that it gets clogged up, so we'll see if that happens. This is weighted, so what I'm probably going to do is snip this off. Or just remove the screen, so we'll see. I haven't actually tried to suck anything up out of this stick before. It's about spilling, which is great. Oh yeah, it's coming out nice and dark. Now I'm going to show you my walking pattern. I'm basically going to start in the far corner. I'm going to walk a grid back and forth and just spraying. This entire backyard is 4,400 square feet, so I need to cover about a quarter of it in about a minute. That's my spray rate. So pretty much whatever's in frame right now is what I need to cover. Let's get to it. Okay, so that was attempt number 1 with the sprayer, and I had to remove the filter, the little screen that's on the end there. It'll focus. I just took a razor blade and I just kind of poked at it and pried it out. So now that we have it loose, we'll just throw that away. And hopefully this will suck up the fluid much better, much bigger hole than the screen. Let's try it again. It. And that's how you use a hose end sprayer to spray humic acid. If you found this video useful, hit subscribe, hit thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, leave a comment below if you got questions. Thanks for watching.